In this video, guys, we will finish our constructor function. So now the question is if I would like to use this title of the book, so how can I do that? So I would like to, for example, print Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. So we know that it's book 1. Okay, it's book 1. I can run it. And you can see we have an object. The object is like this, okay? And you can you have access to these attributes. But the problem is, what's the name of the attribute? What's the name of this attribute? Maybe you will guess that it's book title. So if I will call it like this, book title, and run that, you can see that there is a problem. It's an attribute error. Book object has no attribute book title. How is that possible? Because it means this, these attributes, these names aren't the name of the attributes. Okay, so it means it will goes here. So if I here I need to say how I will approach to the book title or to the Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. We know that here is called book title, and here you need to say, okay, I would like to put here a self, and the name will be only title, not book title, only title. And if I will write book 1 dot like this, book 1 dot title, so it's this, okay? So it will be the book title. So here will be book title, okay? It goes like this. So what does it mean? It means that in the class you can't have the name of the object like book 1, book 2, book 3. It can be here, correct? Because you create these 3 objects according to the class. So here, if you will use, okay, here I will create a new object. The constructor will run in the background. And I said, okay, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, it's a book title. And here I can say, if I would like to reach the value, the book title, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, I mean this string. So I would write self is the name of the object, like book 1. Okay, so book 1 dot title is book title. So, and book title is what? It's this. Okay, so if I will print book 1 dot title, you can see, oh, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. Perfect. So if I would like to approach to the book author, so again you can call it self is the name of the object in this using the logic part. Okay, so it means if I will use here self and I will call it author, you can call it whatever you want. If you would like to call it orange, you can call it orange if you want. It's up to you, but I will call it author. And what is the author? It's a book author. Okay, so this is this, and I can approach here with print book 1 dot author. Okay, and book 1, again, the self is name of the object. So here the self is book 1. Here self is book 2. Here the self is book 3. Okay, so if I will do that like this, okay, so for a minute we will pretend that we have only one object. So the here I will call it the class and the constructor. So it means I will store it in book 1. So the self in this class will be book 1. So it means book 1, and this is book 1 dot title, book 1 dot author, and so on and so on. If I will create book 2 according this class, so it means the self will be book 2. It's a book 2 dot title, book 2 dot author, okay, and so on and so on. And it's the same with book 3. So here I would say, what about book year? So I will put here self is again the name of the object, the real object from the using the logic, and put here year, and it will be book year. Okay, so now if I want to, I can do something like this. Okay, print book title, it's a self title, book one author, self author, book 1 year, self year. Okay, I will run it and you will see Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, E.K. Rowling, 1997. Perfect. So this, I think, guys, this is one of the most important concept in the OOP. So you need to understand how it goes. This is your name, how you will approach these values in this part using the logic. Okay, and the self is the name of the real object. So here you will use the class and you say, okay, the self will be book one, and here it will run like book one. The title is book title, and book title is what? Book title is Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. Okay, and it goes like this. Book one, the title is Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. So I hope, guys, that you understand. And now it goes the same with book two. Okay, like this. And the same with book three. Like this. So if I will run it, you will see first book, second book, and the third book. Great, perfect. So now, guys, I hope that you understand, because constructor is very important.